So here we are with the login page, with the home page of YONO. If you go for accounts, as you can see here if you go, you can see every detail of your account, and you can download statement of your account for the last from the last 3 months. You can download the statement of your account from the last 3 months. And then here the next option you'll see, so the next option you see is YONO Pay. Through YONO Pay you can transfer money to anybody. Within 25,000 range you can transfer money quickly at just 1 minute, but if the range is above 25,000 you have to go to bank account and save the beneficiary first. You need to go for pay a new beneficiary, then it will take 4 hours, and then you can pay transfer the money. Here you can see other accounts and own accounts. There are two options. If you go for other accounts, they will show you have all the beneficiaries you have already added, and here in own accounts you can pay your own you can transfer money from your savings to your other accounts like recurring deposit, fixed deposit, PPF, etc., even to loan account. Again, here the third option here you can see is YONO Cash. If you go for YONO Cash is a feature used for withdrawing money from ATM without ATM card. So here you can see the option. So withdraw money from SBI ATM card with transaction limit of 20,000. You can withdraw money up to 20,000 from ATM with this feature. Collect money from any SBI merchant POS with a transaction limit of 2,000 per day. You can even collect money from POS machine with this feature without ATM card up to 2,000 per day. Then in customer service point, if you have seen customer service points of SBI, there you can receive money from SBI with transaction limit of 10,000. There you can withdraw money up to 10,000 with this option. And cardless shopping, shop without your debit card with transaction limit of 10,000. Here you can see without cardless shopping, shop without your debit card with transaction limit of 10,000. You can shop without your debit card using this feature up to 10,000. Now here you need to if you want to connect Bhim UPI, you can connect it from here. Here at the end you will see there are 4 options: SBI credit card, prepaid mobile, DTH service, and bill pay. So if you want to pay bill from this option, you can also pay bill from YONO. Now we'll go to the other options. Here we will see there is an option for deposits. Deposits represent the recurring deposit, term deposit, everything in your account. If you go to this option, you will see. Then investment include mutual fund investment. If you have a mutual fund account, you can go here and watch it. The mutual fund should be from SBI mutual fund. Then in loan, you can avail any kind of loan, and in one click it will be the money will be credited to your account without any paperwork. Here there is insurance. There are some SBI insurance like health insurance, general insurance. If you have those, it will be shown here. Then there is an option for shop and order. Shop and order. In shop and order, you can just order from like websites, Amazon, Flipkart, and avail some reward points. If you have reward points, you can just avail from here. Now we'll come here, that is service request option. Here you can see you can manage PIN, block ATM card, activate SMS alert, stop check. These are the options you can avail. Then you can go for settings, and here you'll see there are options to change your MPIN, remove MPIN, reset internet banking password, reset profile password, and others. Again, there are some more options in service request. I'll show you. Here you can see loans. You can avail 5 types of loans from YONO, that is home loan, car loan, education loan, express credit, and gold loan. Here you will see accounts related services. here you'll get these options: activate SMS alert, change account type, scheduled request, manage nominee, manage e-statement, change home branch. So the first option is activate SMS alert. If you are not getting any SMS alert, you can go to this option, change account type. So if your account is a tiny account or any other account, you can change it to regular account. Now here manage nominee. If there is a nominee in your account, you can see view here, or if there is no nominee, you can just edit here. Then manage e-statement. E-statement are the bank statements. You can manage it from here. Change home branch. If you want to transfer your account to some other branch, you can change it from here. Now we'll go here to the other option. This is ATM or debit card option. If you go here, you will get you need to write the profile password. Profile password is used in most of the cases. It's also used when you need to transfer money to someone and you need it. You need a profile password including your user ID and password, and also anything. So keep everything safely and don't share it with anyone. Now here in the ATM and debit card section, you can block and activate your ATM card. If suppose your ATM card is lost, you can block from here. You don't need to visit branch for that. This is for emergency purpose. Then here you can go for checks. In checks you'll see request checkbook. This is an option, so you can avail new checkbook from here. You can inquiry if the where is the checkbook and where it has reached, if it didn't reach you, and then stop check. If you have given some wrong check to anybody, you can go to this option and stop it, and other facilities. Here you can also see tax and investment related things, PPF loan and withdrawal eligibility. So you can check your eligibility here. Print PPF e-receipt. You can print your PPF receipt from here. Then TDS inquiry. TDS is the tax deduction at source. So every RD and FD has TDS. So you can check. You can inquire from here. You can also get the form 15G and H, and from inquiry you can inquire form 15G and H from here and also submit it here. Again here you will have the pension option. Here there are the pension slip. You can, if you are a pensioner, you can get your pension slip from here. Then payment information, if you have already reached the payment, if you have already received the payment, if the payment is pending or in halt due to some option, you can go here. Then form 16, you can get the form 16 from this option also. So this much is, as I can say for now, for this app. Okay, if you want to ask any question, you can ask Sia. This is the YONO chatbot. So here are 4 options: what's new, what I can do, security tips, FAQ.